How to buy and sell websites online. The process, also called website flipping, usually follows the process above. 1. Determine your goals. First, you need to figure out what you hope to accomplish by purchasing or selling a website, such as gaining passive revenue, launching a new business, or exiting an existing one. 2. Research the market. Find out what other buyers and sellers are searching for in a website like the one you want to buy or sell, and use that knowledge to set a fair price. 3. Find a website to buy or sell. You can find websites to sell or purchase on internet marketplaces like Flippa, Website Broker, and Empire Flippers. To buy or sell websites, you can also directly contact website owners to express interest in purchasing or selling their website as another option. 4. Negotiate the price and terms. This can be done once you have located the website you wish to purchase or sell. Think about things like how much money the site makes, how many people visit it, what dangers or obligations it might pose. 5. Complete the transaction. After settling on a price and terms of sale, the next step is to finalize the deal and hand over ownership of the website. As part of this process, money may change hands. The website's domain name and hosting account may be transferred, and any other assets or obligations related to the website may be assigned. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for new daily videos.